Hi friends, today we are drawing and coloring this beautiful and sparkly unicorn and rainbow with glitters. Let's start. First, I am drawing the unicorn face and of course don't forget the horns. I love unicorn. They are so shiny and sparkly. Draw a big horn on top of the head. Let's draw the hair on the back. Now I am going to draw the back leg. And of course the front two legs. Wow, it looks like our unicorn is running. He's running very fast. Let's draw its tail. As our unicorn is running super fast, his tail is going to float in the air. Wow, it is looking good. I am loving it. Do you like it? Let's draw the eyes. Oh, because we are loving it so much, we are going to draw some hearts and the stars. Let's draw a cloud. Because they are going to be a big and sparkly rainbow at the back. Now make a star and join star and a cloud to make a rainbow. We are almost there. I am super excited. It's okay if you make a mistake, we can always correct it. Let's make some stars. More stars. Now let's draw some clouds, some hearts, and of course some stars. Wow, it looks like our rainbow and our unicorn is ready. Let's color it. Red. I'm going to color the hair with red and some other colors. It's going to be so sparkly and shiny. Purple. Sky blue. Yellow. Yellow is my favorite glitter. Purple. Oh, this is my favorite color. It's so shiny and sparkly. Pink. Blue. Wow, it is looking so magical. Let's color the rainbow. Red. Red glitter is my favorite glitter. Sky blue. Yellow. Wow, it is looking so good. Do you like it? I love it so far. Let's color the stars. Wow, the stars are shining bright. Let's color the cloud. I am coloring the cloud with grey glitter. Let's color the horn with red because red is my favorite glitter. Let's color the unicorn. I'm going to color the unicorn with baby pink. Wow, it is looking good. Do you like it? Look, it's sparkling. Wow, I love it. Light blue. Gray. Let's color the stars and a heart real quick. Oh look, the stars are shining. They are shining bright. It looks like our unicorn is almost done. I am super excited. Now let's color the eyes. Whoa, ta-da! It is looking so magical. It was super fun. I love drawing it. Do you like making it? I love it. Wow, look, the stars are shining bright. And it's sparkling. It's so magical. See you next time. Bye-bye.